r comma theta comma phi, and if it is again this converted to cylindrical coordinate, that is rho phi z. Okay. Now if we draw this point here, so r is the radius of the sphere. So this radius from origin point, so from origin point to P point, it is the radius of the sphere, right? It is already discussed. And this angle is the vertical angle of the point P. That means this point P, how many angle created with respect to z axis, that is by theta. Okay. And the horizontal angle, that is the phi angle, right? Now we consider here a rectangle that is PHOB. PHOB. That means it is a rectangular plane which is situated in the z and x direction, or z or y direction. Now if we consider this plane PHOB, it is a rectangle, right? So OP is the diagonal of this rectangle. OP is the diagonal of this rectangle. Now we say that OP is equals to OH square plus OB square. OH square plus OB square, right? Now here OP, value of OP is equals to R. So R square, and value of OH is equals to Z, and value of OB is equal to rho, right? Okay. Now if we put the value of OP, OH and OB, then we get R square is equals to Z square plus rho square. R square is equals to Z square plus rho square, right? Now we know that rho is equals to root under x square plus y square. That means rho square is equals to x square plus y square. Now put the value of rho in this equation. So we get R square is equals to Z square plus x square plus y square. So the relation between the first coordinate of the spherical coordinate system, that is R. R is equal to root under x square plus y square plus z square. That is the interrelation of the first quadrant of the spherical coordinate system R with respect to Cartesian coordinate x, y, z. Equation number 58 represent the relations of the spherical coordinate R with respect to x, y, z. Right? Now, another important things are there. How it is related to a theta. How it is related to a theta. Now, if we consider the triangle, okay, if we consider the triangle of this triangle, that is POH, this triangle POH, right? POH is this triangle. Now if we consider this triangle POH, so angle of H is equals to this angle will be 90 degree because it's the orthogonal, right? Now the angle of theta in between OP and OH. So OP and OH, that is the theta. So if we redraw this triangle, so that look like that. Now from this triangle, if we calculate the tan theta, so tan theta will be the PH by OH, PH by OH perpendicular by base. So value of the pH is equal to rho and value of OH is equal to Z, right? Now we know that the value of rho is equals to, just I discussed in earlier class, value of rho is equal to root under x square plus y square. So tan theta will be root under x square plus y square by z. Now theta will be tan inverse root under x square plus y square by z. So this is the second coordinate in the spherical coordinate system, which is related to Cartesian coordinate x, y, z. Theta is equals to tan inverse root under x square plus y square whole divided by z. So equation number 52 gives the relationship of second coordinate of spherical coordinate system theta with respect to a Cartesian coordinate x, y, z. Right? Okay. Now, if we consider again this triangle OAB, this triangle, if we consider the OAB triangle, and this angle will be 90 degree, right? Now, then tan theta will be y by x, because this is y, this is x. Okay, so theta will be phi will be tan inverse y by x. So that is the interrelation between spherical coordinate of r theta phi with respect to a Cartesian coordinate x, y, z. Equation number 58, equation number 59 and equation number 60. These three equations represent the relationship of the spherical coordinate r theta phi with respect to Cartesian coordinate x, y, z. Okay, got my point? Got my points? Now, another important vector relationship you establish from this figure. Okay, now if this is a r vector, this is a r vector, and the direction of the r vector according to the AR direction, and if r vector is constitute a theta angle with another vector z, then the vertical component of r will be r cos theta, and horizontal component of this vector r is equals to r sin theta, right? So this z is equals to r cos theta, and this rho is equals to r sin theta. So these are the very important relation. Z is equals to r cos theta and rho is equals to r sin theta. Z is equals to r cos theta and rho is equals to r sin theta. Right? Okay. Now, we know that rho is equals to r sin theta. Now, if we determine the relationship of x in spherical coordinate, so it is already proved that x is equals to rho cos phi, y is equal to rho sin phi. In earlier class, I will discuss and prove this equation. x is equals to rho cos phi, y is equal to rho sin phi. Now from this figure we prove that rho is equals to r sin theta, right? Rho is equals to r sin theta. Now if we put the value of rho here, so x is equals to r sin theta cos phi, y is equals to r sin theta sin phi. So that is the relationship of the x, y, z Cartesian coordinate in respect of spherical coordinate. So x is equals to r sin theta cos phi, y is equals to r sin theta sin phi, and z is equals to, already I just discussed earlier, that is z is equals to r cos theta. So Cartesian coordinate x, y, z are related to spherical coordinate in these three equation number 61. R x is equals to r sin theta cos phi, y is equals to r sin theta sin phi, and z is equals to r cos theta. That is the relation. Okay. Any doubts, anyone? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, very good. Now we developed the interrelationship between the unit vector of the Cartesian coordinate with respect to spherical coordinate. So unit vector of Cartesian coordinate are ax for the x direction, ay for y direction, and az z direction. And unit vector of spherical coordinate, small ar for according to r direction, small a theta according to theta direction, and small a phi according to phi direction. Now again, if we draw the vector component just earlier class, then it will be in that format. Ax will be sin theta cos phi ar plus cos theta cos phi a theta minus sin phi a phi, and ay will be sin theta sin phi ar plus cos theta sin phi a theta plus cos theta a phi, and az will be cos theta ar minus sin theta a theta. So equation number 62 represent the relation of unit vector of Cartesian coordinate in respect of spherical coordinate. That represent ax, ay, az. Now if reverse situation occur, then we can also represent from this curve or from this vector multiplication, vector component, that's ar, a theta, and a phi. Ar is equals to sin theta cos phi ax plus sin theta sin phi ay plus cos theta az. That is the interrelation between ar with respect to ax, ay, and az, right? And a theta is equals to cos theta, it is cos phi, cos theta cos phi ax, cos theta sin phi ay minus sin theta az, and a phi is equals to minus sin phi ax plus cos phi ay. So equation number 62 and equation number 63 specify the interrelationship between the unit vector of Cartesian coordinate and spherical coordinate. Now you have to remember these two equations very carefully. Okay. Now next is the component vector relation and matrix format. Through this matrix form, we can analyze the numerical problem. Now, if the component of any Cartesian coordinate are ax, ay and az, magnitude component. In the s direction, capital X is the magnitude component, y direction, capital Ay, and z direction, capital Az. Right? Okay. And if a vector A is represented in a spherical coordinate whose component are capital A suffix small r, capital A suffix theta, capital A suffix phi. Now, if a vector A is represented in Cartesian coordinate component form, so capital A is equals to capital AX into small ax plus capital AY into small ay plus capital AZ into small az. Right? Now, we substituting the value of equation number 62, the value of small ax, small ay and small az in this equation. That means these three equations, small ax, small ay and small az, we substitute here. So capital A is equals to ax into sin theta cos phi ar plus cos theta cos phi a theta minus sin theta sin phi phi a phi plus ay into sin theta sin phi ar cos theta sin phi a theta and cos theta a phi plus az into cos theta ar minus sin theta a theta. Now after multiplying this, we divided the coefficient of ar, coefficient of a theta and coefficient of a phi. So after multiplying this, if we divided the coefficient of a theta, ar, a theta and a phi, then this equation number 64 occurs. So A is equals to ax sin theta cos phi plus ay sin theta sin phi plus az cos theta into ar plus ax cos theta cos phi plus ay cos theta sin phi minus az sin theta is into a theta and plus minus ax sin phi plus ay cos phi is equals to f into a phi. Now, if we compare this equation with a standard component equation of the spherical coordinate, that is A is equals to capital AR into small ar plus capital A theta into small a theta and capital A phi into small a phi, then we determine the spherical magnitude component in respect of xyz or Cartesian coordinate. So this part will be AR, capital AR, this part will be the capital A theta and this part will be capital A phi. So we can write it AR is equals to AX into sin theta cos phi plus AY into sin theta sin phi plus AZ into cos theta. A theta is equals to AX cos theta cos phi, AY cos theta sin phi minus AZ sine theta, and a phi is equals to minus ax sine phi plus ay cos phi. This equation number 65 represent the component vector or component of spherical coordinate system in respect of Cartesian coordinate system. Now, if we convert into the matrix form, then AR A phi A theta, AR A phi A theta is equals to coefficient of x is equals to sine theta cos phi, coefficient of AY is equals to sine theta sine phi, coefficient of AZ is equals to cos theta. In second row, coefficient of AX is equal to cos theta cos phi, coefficient of AY is equals to cos theta sine phi, and coefficient of AZ is equals to minus sine theta. And in the third row, the coefficient of AX is equals to minus sine phi, coefficient of AY is equals to cos phi, and coefficient of AZ is equals to 0. So that is the matrix form of the component of spherical coordinate system, that is AR A theta A phi with respect of AX, AY and AZ. Okay, and if we take reverse operation or inverse operation, then capital AX, capital AY, capital AZ, that is represented by sine theta cos phi, row wise sine theta cos phi, cos theta cos phi minus sine theta. In second row, sine theta sine phi, cos theta sine phi, cos phi, and in third row, cos theta minus sine theta 0 into capital AR, capital A theta and capital A phi. That's the matrix relationship of a Cartesian component with respect to spherical coordinate system. Okay, got my points? Understood? Any doubts, anyone? Any doubts? Any doubts, anyone? Now we move to numerical problem regarding this. It will wait for 2 minutes. I will share another screen. Understood the interrelationship?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is the application of the interrelationships. The applications of the interrelationship is to determine the vector from one coordinate system to another coordinate system, right? Let's give an example. There is a problem, and there is a vector uh, field which in the spherical coordinate system, right? Here capital B is equals to 10 by r a r plus r cos theta a theta plus a phi. This is a vector field which is situated in a spherical coordinate system whose value, magnitude value, okay, that means capital AR is equals to 10 by r, capital A theta is equals to r theta, and capital A phi is equal to 1. Now we have to calculate the Cartesian coordinate system or Cartesian coordinate vector. Now, as I discussed earlier, that it is the matrix relationship of Cartesian and spherical coordinate. Now, this vector in Cartesian component in matrix form we related as Bx, By and Bz, right? Bx, By, Bz. So, the matrix equation Bx, By, Bz is equals to sin theta cos phi minus sin theta sin phi cos theta cos phi, then cos theta minus sin theta 0 into, that is capital AR, capital A theta, capital A phi, right? Okay, because we know, we already established equation number 48, that is AX is equals to sin theta cos phi AR cos theta cos phi A theta minus sin theta A phi. AY is equals to sin theta sin phi plus cos theta sin phi A theta plus cos phi A phi, and AZ is equals to cos theta AR minus sin theta A theta. From this equation, we form this matrix form. Now, from this matrix form, we determine the Cartesian component of the vector field B. The components are, if we multiply in this matrix form, so Bx will be 10 by r sin theta cos phi plus r cos square cos phi, r cos theta square cos phi minus sin phi. By is equals to By component, that is equals to 10 by r sin theta sin phi plus r cos square theta sin phi plus cos phi, this equation, and Bz is equals to r 10 by r cos theta minus r cos theta sin phi. So these three equations represent the Cartesian component of vector B in respect of spherical coordinate. Now we apply our formula. We know that r is equals to root over x square plus y square plus z square, just I proved earlier. Theta is equals to tan inverse root under x square plus y square by z, and phi is equals to tan inverse y by x. Similarly, sin theta is equals to rho by r. because I just proved that is rho is equals to r sine theta. So sine theta is equal to rho by r, and rho is equals to root over x square plus y square. R is equals to root under x square plus y square plus z square. Put the value, and z is equal to r cos theta. So cos theta is equal to z by r, and r is equals to root under x square plus y square plus z square, and y is equal to rho sine phi. So sine phi is equal to y by rho. That means y by root under x square plus y square, and x is equals to rho cos phi. So cos phi is equal to x by rho. That is x by root under x square plus y square. Now we put the value of r sine theta and cos theta to the equation A, and we get the expression of bx, by and bz. So bx will be 10 root under x square plus y square plus divided by x square plus y square plus z square into x divided by root under x square plus y square. So after putting the value of sine theta, cos theta, sine phi, cos phi, r, theta and phi, we get the Cartesian coordinate component bx, by and bz in respect of x, y, z. Now if we determine the value of the vector in Cartesian coordinate at the point -3, 4 and 0, that means that x is equals to -3, y is equals to 4 and z is equals to 0. Now if the put the value of x, y, z in these three equation, we get bx is equals to minus 2, by is equals to 1 and bz is equals to 0. Now if we get the component, magnitude component of the Cartesian coordinate, then the vector will be minus that is 2 into ax plus 1 into ay, right? It will be -2. Got my points? That is the procedure to solve the numerical. Okay, got my points? Now another problem I discussed, that is spherical coordinate system to cylindrical coordinate system. Okay, now here the component of spherical coordinate and cylindrical coordinates matrix forms are b rho, b phi, bz is equals to sine theta, cos theta 0, 0, 0, 1 minus cos theta minus sine theta 0 into ar a theta a phi. Now if we multiply this, then b rho will be 10 by r sine theta plus r cos square theta. B phi will be 1, 0 into 10 by r plus 0 into minus r cos theta and 1 into 1. So B phi will be 1, and Bz is equals to 10 by matrix multiplication, 10 by r cos theta minus r sine theta cos theta. So these three equations are the magnitude component of cylindrical coordinate system, rho phi z. Now we know that r is equals to root under rho square plus z square, and theta is equals to rho by z. So sine theta is equal to rho by root over rho square plus z square, because rho square is equal to x square plus y square. Cos theta is equal to z by root under rho square plus z square. Now if we put the value of r and theta. So b rho is equals to 10 by z root under rho square plus z square plus root under rho square plus z square into z square divided by rho square plus z square. Similarly, bz is equals to 10z divided by rho square plus z square minus root under rho square plus z square rho z divided by rho square plus z square. Now, our vector representation at the point 5, pi by 2 and minus 2, that means rho is equal to 5, phi is equals to pi by 2 and z is equals to minus 2. So, we put the value, this is the rho, b rho into a rho plus b phi is equal to 1, because b phi is equal to 1, that's why it is 1 into a phi and then bz into az. Bz is equals to 10z by rho square plus z square minus rho z by root over rho square plus z square into az. Now, if we put the value of rho is equal to 5, phi is equals to pi by 2 and z is equal to 2, then we get the vector field in cylindrical coordinate in the form 2.467 a rho plus a phi plus 1.67 az. Okay, clear to all? Clear to all? Hello, clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now you solve numerical problem regarding this coordinate system. This problem I have already discussed, problem number 2. Okay, you solve problem number 3 and problem number 4. First you solve problem number 3. Problem number 3 states that express the following vector in Cartesian coordinate. Okay, a vector in the form of cylindrical coordinate because rho phi z, and second vector in spherical coordinate, that means r theta phi. You have to convert these two into Cartesian coordinate. Okay, everyone solve this problem and send to my WhatsApp number.
So can you solve a problem, like it will be an example for us?
I have already solved this one. Just I discuss. B is equals to 10 by r ar plus r cos theta cos theta a theta a phi. This will be solved. Okay, just I discuss this one, right? Okay, this is the spherical coordinate system. We convert in Cartesian and spherical. It is a spherical coordinate system. We convert in Cartesian and cylindrical. Okay, so you solve these two problems. A is the cylindrical coordinate system. B in spherical coordinate system. You have to convert in Cartesian form. Okay. you have to write down the component matrix of uh, Cartesian coordinate and spherical coordinate for B, for problem 3B, and you have to write the matrix format of uh, cylindrical coordinate and Cartesian coordinate for problem number A. Okay. Just you copy this for the question of problem number 3. I just discussed the problem number 2. Okay, it is a spherical coordinate system. We convert in Cartesian and cylindrical. Process is already discussed. Okay, you apply the same process and determine the value of the Cartesian coordinate of this problem A and problem B. Problem A in the form of cylindrical, because unit vector are rho phi z, and problem B is uh, uh, spherical coordinate system, that is r, theta and phi. Okay. Please give your attendance in the chat box. Please solve the problem number 3 of A and B. Problem number 3, A vector is represent A vector is represented in cylindrical coordinate format. That means in R, in rho theta, rho phi z, you have to convert it in the Cartesian coordinate, and B represent in spherical coordinate r theta phi. It will also convert in the Cartesian coordinate. So the approach of solution, you have to write first the format matrix format of Cartesian coordinate component with respect to uh, cylindrical coordinate system. Okay, then uh, determine the component, Cartesian component ax, ay and az, right? And after the determination of ax, ay and az, then you uh, uh, write the vector field ax into small ax plus ay into capital Ay into small ay into capital Az into small az. Okay. Akash, are you doing? Akash, can you hear me? Aratika, are you solving the problem? Aratrika, Kritika, Kritika, are you solve the problem? Shubham, Priyangshu,
Yes,
are you
sir.
solving?
Yes, sir. Trying.
Okay. First you solve the problem number 3a, okay, and send to my WhatsApp number. After solving, I will check it, and then you solve problem number 3b. Two.
স্যার মানে একটা মানে আপনি হাতে করে দেখালে একটু ভালো হতো আর কি, মানে একটা বোর্ডে বা কোথাও, মানে ওটা প্রি সলভ তো, তাই কি করে আসছে ওইসব একটু বোঝা মুশকিল হচ্ছে আর কি, একটু।
Then I will solve the problem, and then take a picture, and then posted in your official group.
স্যার কি বলুন তো, ওটা তো আবার সেই প্রি সলভডই হবে না স্যার, আমি বলছিলাম একটা বোর্ডে করে মানে একটু ভালো হতো আর কি, ওটাই বলছি। আপনি দিতেই পারেন, কিন্তু ওটা ভালো
But
হতো।
it is it is not possible. It's possible only physical class,
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা,
right?
না স্যার, না ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে।
Write the matrix relationship of component of vector ax, ay, az with respect to fi, arrow fi, az. Then the relationship, matrix relationship are equation number 56. That means capital AX, that means the unit column matrix of AX, AY, AZ, that is equals to cos phi row wise, sin phi 0 minus sin phi, cos phi 0, 0, 0, 1 into A row A phi Az. Now, if we determine the matrix multiplication, then the component of AX, capital AX, that means component, magnitude component of X, X component, X direction is A row cos phi plus A phi sin phi plus 0. AY is equals to minus sin phi A row plus cos phi A phi plus 0, and AZ is equals to 0 plus 0 plus AZ. So, value of X is equals to cos phi A row plus sin phi A phi. AY is equals to minus sin phi a rho plus cos phi a phi, and Az is equals to Az, right? Okay, now we determine the value of cos phi. So cos phi is equals to how much? I have already calculated cos phi. Cos phi is equals to x by rho. Cos phi is equals to x by rho, because we know that x is equal to rho cos phi, x by rho. So cos phi is equals to x by rho is equals to root under x square plus y square, and sin phi is equals to how much? Y by rho, that is equal to y by root under x square plus y square, right? Now we put the value. So Ax is equals to Ax is equals to A rho cos phi, that is cos phi is equals to x by root under x square plus y square A rho plus y by root under x square plus y square A phi. Ay is equals to minus sin phi minus y by root under x square plus y square A rho plus cos phi x by root under x square plus y square A phi, and Az is equals to Az. Got my points? I'll take a picture and send to your WhatsApp group. Cos phi A phi plus rho cos phi sin phi Az, right? Now, if we compare this equation number 1 into a standard equation of cylindrical coordinate with component form, that means capital A rho into small a rho plus capital A phi into small a phi plus capital Az into small az. Now, if we compare equation number 1 and equation number 2, then we get the component A rho is equal to rho phi rho z sin phi. That is the component of A rho, and A phi that is equal to that. That is A phi is equals to 3 rho cos phi, and Az is equals to rho cos phi sin phi. So these are the three components. Now you write down the matrix relationship of Cartesian coordinate with respect to cylindrical coordinate, which are ax, ay, az is equals to, we have already proved, ax, ay, az is equals to cos phi sin phi 0 minus sin phi cos phi 0 0 0 minus 1 into a rho a phi az. Okay, got my point? Now, now we calculate the component according to matrix multiplication. So ax is equals to cos phi into rho z sin phi. So cos phi into rho z sin phi plus that is so cos phi rho z sin phi cos phi plus sin phi 3 rho sin phi cos phi, okay, plus 0, right? So ax is equal to rho z cos phi sin phi plus 3 rho sin phi cos phi. Okay, বোঝা গেছে? First component clear? Clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then ay, again matrix multiplication, row column row column row column, it will be minus sin phi, okay, rho sin phi square rho z sin phi square rho z plus 3 rho cos square phi, right? And az is equals to matrix multiplication 0 plus 0 plus rho sin phi cos phi, right? That is equal to rho sin phi cos phi. So these are the three vector Cartesian component. Ax is equals to rho z cos phi sin phi plus that means 3 rho sin phi cos phi, okay, 3 rho sin phi cos phi, and aj ay is equals to minus sin square rho z plus 3 rho cos square phi, and az is equals to rho sin phi cos phi. Clear to all? These three component clear to? Okay, now we replace the value of sin phi cos phi and rho. Rho is equals to, we know that root over x square plus y square, right? Rho is equals to root over x square plus y square. Sin phi is equals to y by rho, that means y by root x square plus y square, right? And cos phi is equals to x by rho, that means x by root under x square plus y square. Okay, now put the value of sin phi cos phi and rho in ax. So ax will be rho's value root over x square plus y square into z into cos phi is equals to x by root over x square plus y square into sine phi is equals to y by root over x square plus y square. So this will be cut, that is x, y, z divided by root over x square plus y square. Okay, and another part is there. Sorry, another part is there. Another part is 3. Another part is 3 row. That means another part, that is plus 3 row. Row means root over x square plus y square sine phi. That means y by root over x square plus y square into cos phi. That means x by root over x square plus y square. So this will be cut down. So x, y, z root over x square plus y square plus 3yx divided by root over x square plus y square. So that is the component of x. Got my point? That is the component of x. Clear to all? That is the component of ax. Right? Okay. Now, clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Then you determine the component of ay also. Right? Then 1 minute. ay is equals to, now 1 minute, ay is equals to minus rho z sine square phi. Ay is equals to minus rho z sine square phi, rho z sine square phi plus 3 rho cos square phi, plus 3 rho cos square phi. Right? Now again put the value, that is equals to rho is equals to root over x square plus y square into z, and sine square phi is equals to how much? Y by x square plus y square. That means y square by x square plus y square. Okay, plus 3 into rho means x square plus y square, and cos phi means x by, that means x square by root over x square plus y square tar whole square. Then it will be cut down, root over x square plus y square. So minus y square z divided by root over x square plus y square. Again it will be cut down, plus 3x square by root over x square plus y square. That is ay. Okay, got my point? That is ay. Okay, got my point? That is ay.
Yes, sir.
Right? Then you determine az. Az is equals to how much? Az is equals to rho sine phi cos phi. Rho sine phi cos phi. Right? So rho is equals to root under x square plus y square. Okay, sine phi is equals to y by root over x square plus y square into cos phi is equals to x by root under x square plus y square. Now it is cut out. So x y divided by x square plus y square. Right? So the value of ax, value of ay, value of az already determined. So Cartesian coordinate, in Cartesian coordinate, a will be written as ax into small ax plus ay into small ay plus az into small az. Right? Now put the value of ax, ay, az. The value of ax is equals to xyz divided by xyz divided by root over x square plus y square plus 3xy divided by root over x square plus y square into ax plus ay, that means minus y square by z divided by x square plus y square plus 3x square by root over x square plus y square, that is ay into ay plus az xy divided by x square plus y square into az. That is the vector form of Cartesian coordinate. Got my point? বোঝা গেছে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার, ইয়েস স্যার,
ওকে, ক্লিয়ার তো?
ইয়েস স্যার।
আচ্ছা, আমি I take a picture and send to your WhatsApp, unofficial WhatsApp group. Okay, then it will be clear to all, right? আমি একটা পিকচার তুলে তোমাদের আনঅফিসিয়াল গ্রুপে পাঠিয়ে দিচ্ছি, যেটা আমি করলাম। ওকে,
ইয়েস।
এইভাবে প্রবলেম গুলো সলভ করতে হবে, মাইন্ড ইট। তাহলে পরের প্রবলেমটা একটু ট্রাই করো। which are related as ax ay az, ax ay az is equals to, I take a picture and to send to your WhatsApp, unofficial WhatsApp group. Just that is the relation ax ay az, matrix of ax ay az is equals to sin theta cos phi minus sin theta, first row, second row sin theta sin phi cos theta sin phi cos phi, second row, third row cos phi a cos theta minus sin theta 0 into ar a theta a phi. Now from this equation number 67, you determine the component by matrix multiplication and determine ax ay az, right? Ax ay az, and put the value of sin theta cos phi cos theta sin phi in Cartesian coordinate, and you get the value. Okay. বলো, অ্যাপ্রেসটা বুঝেছো তো কিভাবে করতে হবে?
Sir, AR plus sin theta, sorry, 1 second.
এ আর নট এ এক্স বলো, এ এক্স এ ওয়াই এ জেড বের করতে হবে ইন টার্মস অফ এ আর এ থিটা এ ফাই।
হ্যাঁ স্যার, আমি
নাও
ওটাই
হিয়ার
বলছিলাম, মানে
capital AR is equal to R square. Capital AR is equal to R square, the magnitude. Capital A theta is equal to 0 and capital A phi is equal to sin theta. Okay. In next two class, I will solve another 3 or 4 problem regarding in this topic. Okay, so it will be easier to understand for solving this type of numerical problem. Okay, no problem. In next class, I will solve 2 to 3 types of problem. No, Bimban, it is not right. Okay, AR is equal to, if you compare the B vector, okay, if you compare the B vector in spherical coordinate form, so it is AR, capital AR into small AR plus capital A theta into small a theta plus capital A phi into small a phi. So value of AR is equal to R square and value of capital A theta is equal to 0 and value of capital A phi is equal to sin theta. These are the magnitude component of the spherical coordinate of B. Okay, বুঝতে পেরেছো? Then you apply the matrix form of 67. That means AX AY AZ, matrix of AX AY AZ is equals to sin theta cos phi minus sin theta sin phi, cos phi, cos theta minus sin theta 0, AR A theta A phi. And after this metric multiplication, we determine value of AX, AY, AZ in terms of AR, A theta and A phi. Right? AR is equals to R square, A theta is equal to 0 and A phi is equals to sin theta. According to this according to our question. Then we put the value of sin theta cos theta sin phi in respect of Cartesian coordinate, that means x, y, z term. Then if we get this x, y, z term in respect of x, y and z, then write down the equation: capital AX into small ax plus capital AY into small ay into capital AZ into small az. Okay, বুঝেছো? Got my point? কি বুঝেছো বিম্বায়ন? বাকিরা বুঝেছো?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then solve it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, you solve it. Okay. If any doubts, you ask me in your unofficial WhatsApp group anytime. Okay.